But you can use this flotation device. What they say, they floating, they can be hating. Put both feet. If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. See, premium from Costco. No, I have to contemplate. I have to consider. I'm aquaphobic, man. Costco. Why do I have to be aquaphobic? Flotation device.
Few moments later.
I told you can trust me.
Kayete la boca, Jare.
Who do you trust then? Me, man. I trust me. What? Hey, wait. I lifted it. Yeah, you lifted it. But why? There's no specific reason.
Can I just float?
Excuse me.
May I just float?
So politely, of course you can.